Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Please hit the subscribe button to join our family, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified whenever we post new videos. Today's video is a continuation of our pizza dough recipe. If you haven't seen it yet, please check our previous video. Today we are going to learn how to make a pizza sauce and also bake our own pepperoni pizza. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Our ingredients for today are 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped oregano, 1 can of plum tomatoes that has been hand mashed, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of dry oregano, half a teaspoon of chili flakes that was homemade, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a pinch of baking soda. As always, please check out the description box for all ingredients used in this recipe. The sauce is the work of the baking soda. Sorry, my voice sounds a bit husky today. It's because I have a cold. So we will stir and allow it to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Our pizza sauce should be ready, and then we'll allow it to cool down, and then we'll go ahead and bake our pizza. So last time's video that we made our pizza dough, we covered it and set it aside. So we cover it and let it proof. So after 2 hours, this is how our dough has proofed. You can see that the bowl is almost full. And then we have our pepperoni, our pizza sauce, and a bit of flour with our mozzarella cheese. So we'll sprinkle our flour onto our pizza pan, and then we'll put in our dough and stretch it out. So there are 2 methods. You can either use your hand to stretch the dough to cover your pan, or you use a rolling pin the rolling pin method gives you a flatter pizza crust, but if you want your pizza crust to be like in a bread form, that's when you use your hand. That one is thicker. So if you want a thinner crust, use your rolling pin, but if you want a thicker crust, use your hand. I prefer a thicker crust, so I'm using my hand to stretch the dough. Your oven 220 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes, or so that by the time you finish adding your topping, your oven would be hot, and then you bake your pizza 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and it will be ready. You can also put your pizza on the stove and then cover it on a medium heat on the stove for about 10 minutes. It will do the same thing. So if you don't have an oven, don't worry. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the red button. It's totally free. Join our family. We would love to have you here. Like, comment, share with your friends and family. And if you tried this recipe at home, please share in the comment section how it went. Thank you so much for watching.